Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how you can fix the Google Assistant isn't available for this account issue on setup with Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's begin. Now, I couldn't really recreate the issue itself because it's very rare, but sometimes it still occurs in other people. Basically, you probably know already how it looks since you looked up this video, but as a quick rundown, you have trouble finishing the setup because of something Google related. It's hard to know why, but the issue is basically this. The Google services are dead, and they will probably get working in a few days. However, in that case, you probably want to use your phone now. So, you can go back, or you can simply go with don't add this account now, and simply add another account. Many people have different Google accounts, let's be honest here, but if you do not have it, and if you only have one Google account, well, you can always skip this, technically speaking, but you still might encounter some troubles. So, we could potentially skip the Google part itself, by simply pressing skip, or alternatively, we can go all the way back into Connect Network. You want to go back even then. We can go skip this step, continue, and we want to disconnect from our current network that we have connected. So now we are technically not connected to any network on our setup, and now let's just hit skip. And now with that, we have the ability to just continue the setup as normally, just we won't be able to set up the specifically Google account because we do not have a Wi-Fi access. So let me simply speedrun through the process, and setup is complete. As you can see, in any moment now, we'll have a nice access to our phone, and after Google services are working again, you should be able to add a Google account there. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.